Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on usage data option on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just tap the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and you can find the fourth option, the settings. New, you can find the second option, the send usage data. Help us improve Facetune by allowing us to send information from time to time about how you are using the app. You can opt out at any time. Actually, I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next blue circle, and if you want to disable, click to the disable option. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.